Hello, welcome back everyone. We're just gonna continue here with this miter station, and today actually gets me to about 95% complete, so it's exciting. I picked up some half-inch ply, birch ply from my local lumber mill. Same thing, bottom and sides, and then just glue up and brad nail. Some people think that the boxes won't be strong enough just because I'm gluing them on top and just brad nailing. But again, these are friction drawers where they'll be sitting on top of a cabinet most of the time, and so I think these will last quite a while, or a very, very long time. Probably long enough to where I'll be quitting woodworking by the time they break. But yeah, so that's why I elected to do that, and it's just much easier than doing dados. So I decided earlier in the build that I was going to use sapele and maybe some walnut, but mostly sapele. And so now I'm going to match that sapele thickness to make the drawer fronts. And that piece there in my hand is about 1.5 inches, so it's way too thick. So instead of just planing them down, which will take forever, I'm going to go ahead and just resaw them. And luckily I have this saw that's at max capacity at this point. So I'm gonna smooth out that edge to get rid of those wavy lines because I pushed the board through a little too quick. Cut them out to size and then run them through the planer and then final size through the drum sander. Pretty easy. And then I'm going to just go ahead and glue the drawer fronts on here afterwards. It took quite a few more passes than I thought, but that's all right. Now, I end up clamping everything and leaving them for 3-4 hours, but we're going to go ahead and skip that. This is just me correcting the sizes, just because I had them as an exact fit, and that would actually cause issues. So I'm going to go ahead and take off 1/8 of an inch off top and bottom. So I have an 1/8 of an inch gap on top and bottom. And through some movie magic here, we're gonna go ahead and skip the wait time and remove the clamps. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish them off with some tung oil and put on some drawer pulls. And I think they look pretty darn good. Let me know what you think. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and follow or subscribe to my YouTube. I'll leave the links in the comments below. Thanks everyone.